Okay, so here we are. We're gonna first test out your code. So let's do node server.js and then it's testing. So I'm gonna local host 3000/index. And then this is your video, which is shown on here. And I'm gonna cut this one. So go to the previous and the previous, and let's go to mine. So it's gonna be 00, and then we go to the demo code. Okay, so let's go to the demo code. So we're gonna node server.js, and then it's testing, and let's just reload this one and become my video, and then
Okay, so here we are.
this is my demo code, and you can also see from here,
Okay, so here we are.
I uploaded on my YouTube channel, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.